Alright guys, so I'm doing an unboxing for this Instant Pot. This is their version 2, by the way, so as you can tell, it has a V to it with it. Basically it's fast cooking, but the difference between this one and the older one, this looks a little bit different, okay? The cancel button has moved over. It used to be here, so it's moved over here. The difference is there's a pressure cooker button, pressure slow cook. I don't think I remember seeing that in a delay start. Those are the two new buttons that I've seen. Everything else here is the exact same. So, yeah. All right, let's open this up and I'll show you what's inside. All right, so we got a manual and it comes with the some recipes and things like that here. Nothing too important. Then you got your styrofoam here. So this looks exactly the same as the version 1. Mine, I did an unboxing of the version 1 a while back. Now this is the 8-quart. So let's take it over here. All right, here it is, guys. Let's take a look. It's exactly the same as the original. It comes with your rice scooper thingy. It has a ladle. That's new. I don't think I had a ladle on my last one. This is the steam rack. Everything else seems the same. The pot seems smaller. Like, not smaller. It feels like it's wider, almost. Take a look. It is an 8-quart, so feels like it's smaller, almost. Everything else here is the same. Yeah, it's nice though. Alright guys, stay tuned for more reviews. Other than that, it's yeah, that'll work. I think my other one was more deeper. This one's just wider, most of it, so because it is an 8-quart, as you can see. But yeah, my other one, I think this pot was deeper. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.